So, Cena's your guy.
Yeah.
So, how do you feel on this farewell tour? Like, I've been getting pretty, like, I've been getting in my feelings. Count down here, and I feel like I've been getting definitely more into my feelings as I became a father. But like, we're down into like, there's only this many dates left. It's on your hand.
If you want some, hurry up and come get some, 'cause the last